Today's sentences list. Sentence 1.
Don't poke your nose in the middle.
Don't poke your nose in the middle.
Sentence 2.
It is out of the question.
It is out of the question.
Sentence 3.
Feeling vomiting.
Feeling vomiting.
Sentence 4.
It's my choice.
It's my choice.
Sentence 5.
You are such an ingrate.
You are such an ingrate.
Sentence 6.
Even though I apologized.
Even though I apologized.
Sentence 7.
Only 100 rupees would not be enough.
Only 100 rupees would not be enough.